Now, let's continue with our activities. So, open your book, page 44, and here we have a vocabulary. Repeat after me, please. Desk, backpack, sharpener, roller, notebook, marker, eraser, scissors. Perfect. Now, repeat all the vocabulary again. Perfect. Now, in this page, you have to read the text. Then, choose a word from the box and write the correct word next to the number 1 and 5. There is one example. I've got many school supplies on my desk, my backpack, my sharpener, my ruler, my notebook, my marker, my eraser, or my scissor. The best option or the correct option here is desk. So I've got many school supplies on my desk. Read the text and write the correct word. Page 45. In this page, you have to plan a poster campaign to make your school a better place. So here, write the material that you need to create this poster. Paper, colors, marker, crayons, or something like that. Enter to Kahoot and play with the vocabulary of the week. Finally, study the vocabulary that is on your platform.
Okay.